Hey everyone, today we're reviewing the Ellie and Max Jewellery, a trending online jewelry brand in 2025. Is it legit or a scam? Let's uncover the truth fast. So many ads claim that Ellie and Max is an established Australian jewelry brand, but the website was only created in late 2025 and uses a generic closure sale banners. Commonly, a tactic used for suspicious drop shipping sites. Independent site checks gives the official site a very low scores and safety warnings, suggesting a potential fraudulent behavior and hidden ownership. A real shopper exports reports online shows orders never arriving, delayed or missing refunds, and poor customer service. Reported experiences include no responses to inquiries or items not delivered after weeks, and these are the strong indicators of a scammy or at least unreliable store. So, Ellie and Maxi Jewelry legit? Based on domain age and trust scores and multiple buyer complaints, it's very risky and likely a scam or best at unreliable dropship operation. Avoid buying until there are verified reviews from real customers and legitimate business info. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.